Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a watch, but not just any kind of watch. Obviously from the title you know what it is. And it was from around the 2000s. Hmm. So anyway, what's inside this box? But it is a watch. But if you see the title, you know what it is. So how am I gonna open this with? With this. Cut it up and see what's inside. Alrighty folks, so with all that information out of the way, I'll also leave you the link in the description box down below for my buddy, the Mad Watch Collector, about this particular Seiko that you just heard me talk about. So yeah, here is the package. I'm about to open it. Okay. So yeah, this is how it was packaged. I got this from Joma Shop during a sale or something like that. Seiko 5 Lefty Sports Land Shark, black dial. SKZ211K1. So yeah, this is how they're housed in their signature Seiko box. Any type of model. Pause it very carefully, by the way, and zoom in. Read the details. Yeah, it's like in like a large manual, written in different languages. Alrighty. Here it is. Right in front of you. Whoa, you guys seen this, folks? You can use this. You don't pull it, you just look. Amazing. Very, very cool. And you can hand wind using this crown to activate the movement. That it runs specifically on this. All I needed was a little bit. Yeah, doesn't, I don't know if it does that. Correct me in the description box if it does. You activate it all. Beautiful clasp, very protected. Has Seiko. Look at it very carefully, amazed at its wisdom and design. And it was released around the summer of '05. Good year. I was, quite all right year. I was 14 at the time. Let's see here the bezel. Ignore that. One more, folks, because of that damn noise. Ignore that, folks. Amazing timepiece of that year. Comes with its own pillow. So yeah, folks, enough chit-chat. Let's play the music from that year. It was indeed a good year for music in that time period. Alrighty, folks. So let's pick a song from what year? Let's pick a song from '05 and see what fits with this watch. Alrighty, folks, so The song I'm about to play is sung by Eugene Edwards with the hit song "My Favorite Revolution." All right, it was featured in the 2011 film called The Howling Reborn with some unfamiliar Canadian actors or American actors. Um, so this song, of course, that came out in 2005, which is My Favorite Revolution. This song should have been used in the ending credits of Star Wars Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith. Yeah, this song should have fit well in the end credits with that. Not that would be reaching 6 years later in 2011, of course. So yeah, with that, let's play this song to represent this watch. Enjoy, folks. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to cut that for a little bit because there's extra stuff on this soundtrack, but I think that's enough for now. So yeah, that should have been the end of the soundtrack. There was still a little bit more, but nah. So that was Eugene Edwards with My Favorite Revolution. So yeah, if you like content like this or any other content, click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Appreciate the thumbs up always. Give the video a thumbs up. If you have any opinions or such, comment down below. Or what do you think? Comment down below as well. Like, what do you think of the video and such? And also tell me, what were you guys even doing in 2005? Was it a good year for you? Was it an okay year? Alrighty of a year? This and that? Whatever you guys want to put. And what else? I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos for certain, whichever time I post, of course, whether it be in the afternoon hours or part of the evening hours, whatever it is. Now you can catch what time I post my videos, including pre-order links for anything in the YouTube community as well. So yeah, let's give a shout out to the collectors, the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, autograph collectors, watch collectors, and other collectors out there. So y'all, this is Barky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, and enjoy the holiday seasons, and enjoy Tuesday, and later.